So just a quick summary so far. When working with vectors, if you want to work out the angle that exists between two vectors, then think about the dot product. So the dot product allows you to work out the angle that exists between two vectors. So this is your dot product here. If you divide it by the product of the two magnitudes, then it will allow you to work out the angle. The other thing that you should know is the cross product. So the cross product takes two forms. This is the first form. This is the second form. So the cross product, looking at the first form, when given two vectors, u. So this is your first vector. This is your second vector. But the first form will be u doing it with the unit vector here. So this is I, j, k. The second form is when you're dealing with three vectors. So this is one vector, this is the second vector, and this is the third vector. With the first form, you're just dealing with two vectors. You're just dealing with two vectors, 1, 2. But then you do it with the unit vector. Here you don't have a unit vector. You actually have three vectors. So this form here, if you compute this, it will then give you this vector here, and this will be a vector. If you compute this, it will give you a number. It will be a scalar, and this number here represents a volume of this parallelepiped. So this computing this will give you a volume. Computing this will give you a vector, this vector here, and the magnitude of this vector would be the area of this parallelogram. Okay, so remember to compute this. So let's start again. When working with vectors, if you want to work out the angle, then think about the dot product. The dot product allows you to work out the angle, and then the cross product will take two forms: this form or this form. So computing this will then give you a vector. It will give you this vector here. The magnitude of this vector represents the area here. When you compute this, it will give you a number, and this number here represents a volume. Okay, so computing this, just a quick reminder, you should know this by now. Computing this would be, your eye should zoom into the eye, discard, and then it will be this times this, take away this times this. And then your eye should zoom into this, which is this bit here, discard, and then look at these four. It will be this times this, take away this times this. And remember, this thing here, everyone forgets it's a minus. So it's plus, minus, plus, and so on. It has to be a minus here. Remember that. Okay. And then your eyes should zoom into here, and then discard, and then look at this. It will be this times this, take away this times this. That will then give you this. And when working with the second form, remember all these are numbers. I don't know. All these are numbers. These are just number. This is I, j, k. So computing this would be a number here, discard, and it will be this times this, take away this times this. So this is going to be a number, and then everything, the whole thing here will eventually be a number. And then the second part will be this, discard, and it will be this times this, take away this times this, and remember this minus here. Okay, so this thing here will be a scalar, this will be a vector, meaning this will be a vector, this will be a scalar. Okay.